In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Bluestacks on PC. Keeping Bluestacks 5 current is the easiest way to squash bugs, boost frame rates, and make sure the newest games run smoothly. We'll use the built-in updater, which is quick and safe. Updates can also reduce crashes, streamline input responsiveness, and keep compatibility layers and game services current. First, open Bluestacks 5 on your computer. Give it a moment to load to the home screen. If you have games or apps running inside Bluestacks, it's a good idea to close them now so the update can apply without interruptions. A stable internet connection will also help the download go faster. Next, look for the settings gear in the Bluestacks window. Click it to open the settings panel, then select the About section. Here you'll see a button labeled Check for Updates. Click that and Bluestacks will contact its servers and compare your current version with the latest release. This check usually takes only a few seconds. If an update is available, you'll see the option to download update. Go ahead and click it. You'll notice a progress bar while the files are being retrieved. Update size can vary, so the download may take a few minutes. On laptops, keep power connected and avoid sleep until it restarts. Try not to minimize or close Bluestacks during this process. Letting it stay in the foreground helps ensure everything completes smoothly. Once the download finishes, click Install. Bluestacks will handle the rest. During installation, Windows may briefly ask for permission. That's normal for any app that's updating itself. After that, Bluestacks will close and restart automatically to finish the upgrade. When Bluestacks reopens, you're all set. The update is complete. Your emulator is now on the newest version, which should deliver better stability and performance, along with compatibility for the latest titles. Your settings and game data remain intact. The updater focuses on the Bluestacks engine. If you ever want to confirm what version you're on, the About section in settings shows that information. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Allow a bit of time for the very first launch after an update, since Bluestacks may optimize files in the background. If you didn't see an update prompt, that simply means you were already on the latest build. And if your internet was spotty, you can repeat the check for updates step later when the connection is more stable. That's it, simple and effective. Enjoy smoother gameplay and fewer hiccups now that Bluestacks is up to date.